In this series, I'll show you all the timetable features you need as a tourist in Switzerland. It'll definitely help you avoid mistakes and make your travel smoother. There's an online timetable, which I recommend to prepare for your trips. There's also an app with similar features, which is handy when you are on the trains in Switzerland. Both give you up-to-date schedules, even showing delays, cancelled trains or construction work. I want to travel from Montreux to Interlaken Ost via the scenic Golden Pass line. So I fill out my departure and destination stations and the date and departure time. The timetable will give me all the options, but it doesn't know I want the Golden Pass route only, so I get other routes too, like here via Visp and here via Lausanne. What I need to do is go to the settings and enable the Via option. Now I can force the timetable to only show trains via Gstaad, which is on the Golden Pass line. All the options I now get are the Golden Pass route, so I will enjoy the scenery regardless of which of these trains I take. You may wonder how you'd know to fill out Gstaad. Our Golden Pass page has the Via stations already filled out. We have pages for all the Swiss panoramic trains. Let's check prices for a journey from Zurich to Luzern. It looks like it will only cost 8 francs 20, but in most cases it will be more expensive. Click the button and you'll see that this is a Super Saver ticket. That's a discounted ticket with restrictions. I won't go into detail about that now, but to get a realistic price, it's best to select point-to-point ticket. Here we can see that it assumes you have a half-fare travel card, which most Swiss residents use. As a tourist, if you want to know the real ticket prices, select Purchase as a guest, fill out your information or random information, and select No discount. Finally, the presented price is for a normal single trip ticket and second class. You can change it to a return ticket too. Click this button to quickly search for the same trip but in the opposite direction. You can change the time too, and now we can see our return trip options later that day. The time you fill out is the departure time, but with one click you can switch to your desired arrival time. Super handy! In part 2 of this video series, I will show you that the timetable not only includes trains, and I'll explain how to prevent being sent to the wrong destination. Oh, by the way, the design of the timetable changes from time to time, so don't worry if it looks a bit different from what I've shown you. I'd love to hear your timetable tips or questions. Please let me know in the comments. Check the links in the description for the easy-to-use basic timetable on our website, which is a great place to start planning your trip. The latest timetable tips are on our website too.